is a marvel of evolution, an intricate optical instrument that allows us to perceive the world in all its grandeur and detail. Our eyes are not just sensory organs, they are portals to the wonders of the universe, offering us insight into the complexities of vision, the science behind this intricate system, and the extraordinary ways in which it shapes our perception of reality. 1. The anatomy of the human eye. To appreciate the marvels of human vision, we must first understand the anatomy of the eye. The human eye is a spherical organ, approximately 1 inch in diameter, nestled within the eye socket and protected by the bony structures of the skull. It's a sophisticated system, comprised of various components, each playing a crucial role in the process of sight. At the front of the eye, we find the cornea and the sclera. The cornea is the transparent, dome-shaped structure that covers the front of the eye. It acts as a protective barrier, helping to focus light onto the retina. Behind the cornea lies the anterior chamber filled with aqueous humor, a watery substance that helps maintain the eye's shape and nourishes the cornea. The colored part of the eye, the iris, controls the size of the pupil, which is the black aperture in the center of the eye. The size of the pupil adjusts to regulate the amount of light entering the eye, much like the aperture of a camera lens. 2. The powerhouse of vision, the retina. The retina is where the magic of vision happens. It's a thin layer of light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye that contains millions of photoreceptor cells. These cells are responsible for detecting light and converting it into electrical signals that the brain can interpret. There are 2 primary types of photoreceptor cells in the retina, rods and cones. Rods are highly sensitive to low levels of light, allowing us to see in dim conditions. However, they do not provide color vision. On the other hand, cones are responsible for our color vision and are most effective in well-lit conditions. Together, rods and cones work harmoniously to create our perception of the world, from dimly lit rooms to the vibrant colors of a sunset. 3. The complex process of vision. The process of vision begins with light entering the eye through the cornea. As it passes through the pupil, the iris adjusts its size to regulate the amount of light based on the lighting conditions. The incoming light is then refracted by the cornea and the lens to focus the image onto the retina. The photoreceptor cells in the retina respond to this focused image by generating electrical signals. Rods and cones have different roles in this process. Rods are responsible for detecting light and movement in low light conditions, making them crucial for night vision. Cones, on the other hand, are specialized for detecting color and detail in well-lit environments. These electrical signals from the photoreceptor cells are then transmitted through the optic nerve to the brain, where they are processed and interpreted. The brain assembles this information into the vivid and coherent visual experiences we encounter daily. 4. The wonders of color vision. One of the most remarkable aspects of human vision is our ability to perceive a broad spectrum of colors. Cones, as previously mentioned, are the key players in our color vision. They contain pigments that are sensitive to different wavelengths of light, allowing us to see a range of colors. The 3 types of cones are sensitive to short, blue, medium,